This is TWiT.
My product of the week.
That is lovely. What is that?
This is the Pad and Quill Folio.
You're a Pad and all in on Pad and Quill.
I'm all in on Pad and Quill. It's real.
Are they sending
leather.
you stuff now for free?
I send it back.
Okay.
I had the iPad case. I sent it back, and they send me this, and I'll send it back.
I've sent them a lot of money, actually. It's expensive because it's nice leather. But this is, what does this do?
So this is a cord organizer. So
the whole thing is just a cord organizer.
Yeah, and also Apple Pencil.
Oh, a pencil pouch.
This is why I thought it was worth checking out. Not only because there's, cord organizing, which we've had lots of things. Look at this for SD cards.
Oh.
I really like that because that's what we bring our GoPro on vacation, and then I'm just always hiding the card somewhere. I really like that feature, and then you can put more things inside here. And this pouch is big enough for bigger things, bigger items in there. So
Pad and Quill does great stuff.
The Pad and Quill Folio cord organizer. I haven't done a good job. You can tuck them in here.
Yeah, I noticed.
Let's tuck it in here. So these are headphones.
This reminds me a little bit. There's a company called This Is Ground.
Oh yeah,
and I like their stuff too. They call this their tech DOP kit because it's kind of like a DOP kit, but it holds all your tech. But look how much, $229.
This one's only $89.
Yeah.
So
but
this
is for expensive leather goods.
I had that and I put my makeup in it.
This Is Ground. You have that? Mm-hmm. You have the tech DOP kit and you keep makeup in it?
Mm-hmm.
Really? You have this? Mm-hmm. Wow. I guess I'm not telling you anything you don't already know.
I really do like This Is Ground.
I have one of their backpacks. That's quite nice. Yeah. Nice leather.
I keep makeup and cords in it.
Wow. That can't, $925. I don't think I have that one.
No.
Whew.
Maybe. I remember you were...
I was all in on This Is Ground for a while.
Okay.
Ritual wash kit.
Ooh, what's a ritual wash kit?
It's okay. So they have a DOP kit for tech, but instead this is, oh look, it's got a Quip toothbrush in it.
It's a tech DOP kit for
actually DOP kit.
Yeah.
It's got a Quip toothbrush. Isn't that cute?
Oh, that is cute.
That's nice. Their stuff is a little pricey.
But it's real leather. And, I mean, Pad and Quill is just a couple that started the company.
I love Pad and Quill, and I love the leather on it. If you have a leather fetish.
I do.
I do, too.